Good morning, girls. Once again, I am here with a line by line explanation of lesson number 2 from paragraph 6 to 10. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. Here, the writer says it is really interesting. Intriguing means interesting or fascinating to see Evelyn doing her work or playing musical instruments without any efforts, even though she cannot hear. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. The writer says, in a discussion with him for 2 hours, she never missed even a single word. She was able to understand each and every word spoken by the interviewer. Men with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. Jokingly, she said that the men with beards give her trouble. They give her trouble because it is not only watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She reads she reads the lip or the face of the person who is speaking to her. By looking at their face, by looking at their eyes, by looking at their lips, she can make out what they are speaking. So that is why she says that men with bushy beards, because of the beard, the face of the men were covered, and that is why they give her little trouble. She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. She speaks flawlessly. Here, flawlessly means without any fault. With a Scottish lilt, here lilt means accent. She speaks without any without having any fault with a Scottish accent. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11, she says. She says she is able to speak very well or speak everything very clearly because she could hear at till the age of 11. As we all know, she became deaf gradually. Earlier, she was by birth, she was not deaf. She became deaf because of nerve damage. But this does not explain But this does not explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. But we cannot make out how she was able to manage to learn French and Japanese. As for music, she explains it pours in through every part of my body. For music, she says that music is present or music goes into every part of her body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. She speaks, music creates sensation. In here, tingles means create sensation in the skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up to the stick into her fingertips. When she plays the xylophone, she says she can feel the sound passing from the stick because we need a stick to play the xylophone. So she says when she plays the xylophone, she can feel the sound passing through the stick into her fingertips by leaning against the drums. Here, the word leaning means when she leaned down or bent on the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. She can hear the sounds echoing into her body. Here, the word resonance means echoing of sounds flowing into her body. When she performs on a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. She says when she performs on a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that she can make a contact with the floor and the vibration can pass from her bare feet and up her legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audience. The people who loves to hear her music, she gives them enormous pleasure. Here the word delights means gives happiness. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. In 1991, she was presented with the award which was given to her by Royal Philharmonic Society, and it is one of the prestigious awards, and she got it for her solo performance. Says master percussionist Jem Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. Her teacher, percussionist James Blades, says that God has taken her hearing but has given her something extraordinary. Extraordinary here means unique. What we hear, she feels. What a normal human being can hear, she can feel the same thing. Far more deeply than any of us. She can feel those things which we hear far more deeply. That is why she expresses music so beautifully, because of her this extraordinary, or you can say unique quality. She is able to express the music so beautifully. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Evelyn confesses that she loves to do work. She is very much engrossed in doing her work. I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians. She says that she has to work really hard than that of the classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. She also adds here that even she does the hard work, but the rewards of her hard work are also great. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Award from her concerts, regular concerts, she gives free concerts. Here the word concerts means musical shows. She also gives musical shows in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. She also gives very importance or high importance to the classes for young musicians. Anne Richland of the Beethoven Fund of Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Anne Richland, related to Deaf Children Society, says that she is a shining inspiration for young children. They see that there is nowhere they cannot go. By looking at Evelyn, deaf children feel that there is nowhere they cannot reach. If Evelyn can reach, everyone can reach there. So there is no limit, or no one can stop them from achieving their dreams or fulfilling their goals. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Here, accomplished means achieved. Evelyn Glennie has already achieved more than most people twice of her age can achieve. It means the people who are twice of her age has not achieved that much as Evelyn has achieved. She has gained. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be moving. She has brought percussion. Percussion means the musical instruments which are played by striking with a hand or stick or beats or by shaking. Such type of musical instruments are drums, cymbals, xylophone, gongs, bells, rattles. So she has brought percussion in the front line of orchestra and demonstrated that it is really effective. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. She has been a source of great inspiration for the people who are physically challenged, people who look to her, people who look at her and say, if she can do, I can. People gets a lot of inspiration from her when they look at her and they feel the same, they feel that if she can do, why not they can't. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to the millions. This is not the end, but she has given a lot of happiness to millions of people. Children, this is all for today. This was your line by line explanation. Now, this part 1 of lesson 2 is over. The words which I have underlined, please try to get their meaning from the dictionary, English to English, children, not Hindi. Okay. And then next time, I'll start part 2. After finishing part 2, then I'll give you the question answers, extracts and question answers which we need to do from the lesson.